Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today is a different video where I will be showing you how I was able to save this mold, and it's been a week and my coaster was not curing, so I was a bit disappointed. Also, this is an expensive mold, so I tried this technique. So let's start. So this is the coaster and it's not cured here. You can see, not at all. So what I did here is I tightly wrapped into a cling film and I placed it into the freezer. So it was placed into the freezer for around a day. So this is the next afternoon and I'm removing it from the freezer. So let's see. There is another route as well where you use alcohol and nail polish remover, but it will damage the mold again. So I wanted to try this one first. If it didn't work, I will go to the alcohol route. So here you can see I can release it from the corners where it was really not cured at all, and I was really surprised to see that this is actually working and I was able to save my mold. So this is the coaster. It would turn out like this if it has been cured. So on my first thought, I was going to throw it into the trash because I knew that it's not cured and later on it will mess up. But I wanted to show you that what was the condition of this resin. So what I did here is I placed it onto this cling film just to see what will happen. So at this time it's really frozen, so there is no dents, but you can see there I can lightly press it. I'm just using the heat gun to see if I can clear away the fogginess. So this was where my mold has been cleaned, and this is the coaster. It's still on the cling film, and after around 5 minutes I was able to poke holes into this resin coaster. So somehow it turned out into a resin slime, and I was doing that what you see on the ASMR channel where they poke the slime, and I was doing it. So here you can see that not always everything comes to a beauty. Sometimes a lot of disasters happen. So that's the reason I'm showing you here as well. And around 15 minutes now you can see it's all uncured, and I will show you the position of this resin that was inside this mold. And if I had to remove it from the mold, the amount of hassle I had to do. And this is some final moments with this resin. And one thing that surprised me is that the texture and the effect was there even after it's uncured. So into the bin it goes. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can save your mold, and I hope it is useful to you all. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. Take care. Bye bye.